Hello guys, now I'll show you how to disassemble BlackBerry DTEK60 model. If you need parts to repair this BlackBerry, you should go to this website. Here you can find all the parts with worldwide delivery. We also do the service, so you can ship your smartphone to our specialist and he'll repair it for you and send it back. Okay, let's start. You need some tools to disassemble this device. You need a needle, you need a metal pry tool, plastic pry tool, a Phillips screwdriver, some kind of хуйня, and pliers. Okay, let's start it. Start from the back. Please understand this device was disassembled already before, so it will be much easier for me for some steps to disassemble it again. To take off the back cover, you need to heat the device around the bezel, so there are many glue. After that, after you heat it, you should take the pliers and metal pry tool like this. Please note the right connector here. It is a sensor connector. Here. Now I take a Phillips screwdriver and screw off some of them. Some screws are hidden here, and some below. So you'll need to take this хуйня and pry the bezel around. Okay, I'll screw off the hidden ones. And there are small parts on top and at the bottom of the device, so I'll take them off also. Now we continue with the connectors. Here is a big LCD connector, battery connector, additional camera connector, and the audio jack connector, and communication antenna connector. Don't forget one more connector, it's the side buttons connector. Okay, we did it. So proceed with the top cover and the bottom cover. You'll need the plastic pry tool carefully to take this part off. You need some power. This part have a speaker. It's an audio speaker which use when you talk on the phone. Continue with the bottom cover. This part also have speaker, but it is a media speaker which is used when you listen to music. Now we should take off the motherboard. Before we proceed, we should take off this part first. It is a LED PCB. Next, don't forget to take off SIM card holder and pry the motherboard. It is the smallest motherboard among all BlackBerries. It have front camera connected and the main camera. Next part, we'll take this PCB off, and this PCB have USB connector and the vibro. Okay, let's proceed with the connector to the motherboard. Okay, and the antenna connector, communication cable. Now you should take off the PCB. Just do it carefully because it's easy to break it. Always remember you are responsible for all the process. So if you're not sure if you can do it, just go to a service center and let the specialist do it. Okay, this small PCB, it's a replaceable part. You can also buy it from our website. Just note it has a microphone here also. Next we'll take off the battery. Battery are glued to a middle part. better you some heat it, and it will be easier to take it off. Okay, you need to move such thing. It is easy for me to take the battery off because I did it earlier on this device. Okay, let's proceed with the disassembly. You can see there are two communication cables, one here and one small here. We can take them off. And this cable is for LCD. Now we can take off the audio jack and the power button. You'll need to take this huinya and like this, but be careful just to turn it. Okay, you can see this part consists of the power button, the proximity sensor, and additional microphone, audio jack, and light sensor. We just do it. Okay, the side buttons. Here are the side buttons, PCB. It's volume down and volume up, and the additional button. Okay, now we have just the bezel middle part of the phone with the LCD connected. If you need to replace an LCD with a touch screen, the best way to do it is to replace all the part with this middle part, because it is hard to take off LCD separately from the bezel. Just because we have LCD broken on this device, we take this off separately from the bezel. To do it, you should also heat it around and use a pry tool like this way. And when you separate all the screen, you can take it off, but just care it has a communication cable. Okay guys, we are done, and thank you for the attention. Again, if you need parts for BlackBerry DTEK60 and other models, you can order it on our website. The link you should find also below this video. Have a good day.